Electric mops have changed one of the most incredibly feared cleaning errands into a simple undertaking. Cleaning no longer needs to involve overwhelming scouring on all fours. You should simply direct the electric mop around as it twists and cleans your floor. Customary floor cleaning utilizing a can seems like a drawn-out, perpetual interaction. Managing dust and grimy water while cleaning the mop head feels like a difficult task. Anything that you can use to facilitate your errand is an or more. One of the significant things is to obtain a mop that will work for you. In this case, an electric mop is a lifeline. An electric mop can be of incredible help whether you really want to clean hardwood floors, overlay floors, or tile floors. Be that as it may, concluding what mechanized mop to purchase is difficult, particularly on the off chance that this is your most memorable electric mop buy. Numerous contemplations ought to be taken to figure out what electrical cleaning gadget will serve you best. There are numerous electric mops on the lookout, and without the right data, you probably won't have the option to distinguish the best pick for you. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend best electric mops. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the CLEANHAUS brand. Get all your cleaning done in one go. This dual spin mop features a 2000 mAh 40W lithium battery that lasts for 90 minutes, long enough to clean your whole house. Just plug in your floor cleaner for 3 hours when you're done. Avoid contamination in your house. Your new electric mops for floor cleaning electric wireless mop comes with 3 sets of interchangeable cordless mop pads. Switch the pads to mop your bathroom, and use the cleaning station when you're done. Nobody likes waiting for a sopping wet floor to dry. This floor tile cleaner has a large on-demand 300 ml spray tank for your mop machine cleaning formula. Achieve maximum power with minimal water. Give your house the once-over it deserves. Your new hard floor scrubber has powerful LED lights to highlight the bits you hadn't gotten to yet. With an LED electric floor mop, a clean house is a happy house. This hardwood floor mop rotates at 150 yard per minute. Our power mops for floor cleaning pick up anything. These tile floor cleaning machines will buff tile, sealed wood floors, laminate, linoleum, and even rubber floor mats. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the Redkey brand. The cordless mop has a built-in 250 ml water tank, and you can use a measuring cup to pour water into the water tank before mopping. If you want to scrub the wooden floor, you can press the spray button on the handle after adding wax oil. Suitable for vinyl, tile, hard floors, wood floors, laminate floors, marble floors, and more. Compared to other electric mops, our electric mop adopts the latest automatic cleaning design, saving you the trouble of cleaning. Press and hold the water spray button for 2 seconds, the wet mop enters the automatic cleaning state. It only takes 15 seconds to clean, 30 seconds to dry, and the electric floor mop will automatically stop cleaning. The powerful floor cleaner equipped with the dual motor spinning up to 250 or /min, quickly removes stubborn stains, dust and splotch on the home and kitchen floor. And the detachable 2200 mAh battery of electric spin mop provides a longer running time of 40 to 60 minutes after only 3 to 4 hours fast charging, easily clean up to 2,000 square feet area. Flexible mop head and LED headlight help you clean the dirt underneath furniture easily. Adjustable electric floor cleaner is long up to 48.8 inches and short up to 37 inches. Perfect for living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. Number 3 in our top is from the VMAI brand. Cordless electric mop enables you to clean the entire house without the cord length limitation. Super lightweight, only 6.9 pounds, motor-driven design reduces your effort to operate, so you can mop around the house by a single hand or take the cordless mop up and downstairs freely. Floor scrubber for tile and wood, keep your kitchen, living room and dining room spotless. Hardwood floor cleaner machine with high-powered dual-spin motors, clean at 250 or/mints to remove dirt from your floor. With LED headlight, it is easier for you to find spot stains with a closer look under the corner of furniture. Cordless electric mop can work on different kinds of floor surface, include vinyl, tile, hard floor, wood floor, marble, etc. 4 reusable microfiber cleaning pads are included in the package. The hard floor mop has a 300 ml built-in water tank. Use the included measuring cup to fill up the water tank with clean water for wet mopping, or fill the water tank on your spray mop with floor wax if you want to polish/wax the wooden floor. Simply press the spray button on the electric mop's handle so that you can apply the solution quickly and easily. The electric mop is freestanding design, which is convenient for storing the mop, therefore, you will not sacrifice any of your needed space. The adjustable handle allows anyone to comfortably use the electric mop with ease. The joint on the mop base allows the handle to rotate from 60 degrees for standing and facilitating mopping, so it is easier for you to clean underneath furniture. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the OGORI brand. The OGORI cordless electric mop is equipped with high-powered dual-spin motors. The clean spin speed is up to 200 arc per minute. The powerful motors will automatically move forward with your hand. It will help clean your various floor surfaces more cleanly. The OGORI electric tile floor mop is freestanding design. It can stand without leaning on any objects, so it will greatly save your space. The 4 replacement mop pads are packaged as a bonus gift. 2 soft green pads can wipe off stains easily and absorb pet fur, hair, or dust. The 2 white replacement pads can clean tough and sticky messes on hard floors. The OGORI cordless hardwood floor mop has long adjustable grip pull that can be adjusted from 29" to 46.5, which allows most people to comfortably use it, prevent from backache, then knee pain. It can also adjust the Clean Angel to 180 degrees horizontal or 90 degrees vertical. It is perfect for the extremely lower places, under the sofa or under the bed. The OGORI cordless floor buffers mop is easy to be assembled and the switch button is on your grip pull, which will be more convenient for daily use. The number 1 product is part of the VMAI brand. The powerful floor cleaner equipped with a dual motor spinning up to 280 rpm per minute removes stubborn stains, dust and splotch on the home and kitchen floor quickly. Meanwhile, it will automatically push the head of the electric mop forward, making housework no effort. Compared to other electric mops, detachable 2550 mAh battery of VMAI cordless mop provides a longer running time of 40 to 60 minutes after only 2.5 to 3 hours fast charging. Quickly clean up to 2150 square ft area. This electric mop applied with the latest wireless technology is unrestricted by distance. With less than 3 pounds of self-weight and the ergonomic handle, let you mop around the house or easily take the cordless mop up and downstairs for floor cleaning. Stand free of the mop is convenient for storing. No touch disposal, no need to touch the dirty pad again. Floor cleaner for living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. The electric floor mop with an extendable rod for free length adjusting is extended up to 48.8 inches and short up to 37 inches, meeting different needs. No bending, no backache. The mop head allows 180 degrees rotated from left to right, 90 degree rotated for standing and facilitating mopping. It's easier to reach beneath and around furniture. A flexible mop with LED headlight can remove the grime from those hard to reach places. Stain can't hide anymore. This electric mop provides spray function due to the 300 ml built-in water tank. Fulfill clean water to the water tank by including measuring cup. You can mop while spraying. or add wax oil to it if you want to scrub the wooden floor. Simply press and hold the spray button on the handle of the spray mop. You can control how much liquid you want. Perfect scrubber and cleaner for vinyl, tile, hard floor, wood floor, laminate floor, marble floor. Which electric mop would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.